everybody! Ayan, so I'll just show you yung isang swap na ginawa ko for a friend. So I hope that she will like them. Okay, so meron akong ginawang dalawang tags. So I think nakita nyo na to dun sa Instagram post ko. So what I did here is I use yung Roses stamp set for Christmas. Ayan. And then I use yung para siyang gold para dito sa Christmas tree and sa Peace and Joy. And then, natutunan ko kay Heidi Swap yung parang magsa-stamp ka ng hindi ganun ka-inked yung stamp pad mo, or hindi ganun ka-ink yung mismong pang-stamp mo. So that parang background lang siya. And then, I also, swipe this side on the stamp pad para lang magkaroon siya ng konting umph dun sa stamp, dun sa tag mo. And on this one, I just included a pocket para kung may mga maliliit na ephemeras, pwede niya ring ilagay dyan. And this is a Stampin' Up na stamp set na flowers na may kasamang puncher. Yan. And this stamp is also from Roses Studios. And then I just put this one. Yan. So parang pwede mo siyang gawing tag na bookmark. Ganyan. Then, I also included this as like, something to also, that she can also use on her crafting, diba? So, pink and green. I like this. Ito actually yung white version niyan, pero iba rin yung design that you can use to, ribbon dun sa mga craft materials nyo. Next naman, ito naman yung ginawa kong, para siyang maayos na hindi, or malinis na madumi, ganyan. Kasi nga, yung title niya is, It's a make stuff and be happy kind of day. And then para siyang, 'di ba, para siyang easel board where you can paint, kaya medyo may mga ano siya diyan, effect siya. So what I did here, ito, kaya nakaganyan pa rin siya. I put like a stopper here sa likod na pwede mong i-insert etong tali so that you can just, close it here. Yan. So let's open it. It's just a simple pocket album na mini that I made. Yan. So, this stamp set is also from Roses Studios. And then, I use the Team Coats na ink pad dito. Yan. And then, this one, ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate. Okay pala siya. Ang tawag sa kanya, itong nasa gilid, metallic gilding. Ito siya. This is it. I purchased it from Bessie. So I can just put the link here, or you can also check out our Instagram post. We usually tag yung mga business owners where we purchase those stuff. Yan. So here, when you open it up, naglagay ako ng vellum where I also stamp here, work of heart, and then nilagay ko lang tong cute na dyan, na purple something. And then this is also like a small card. Yan. So, ito, syempre, you can put in anything that you want. Ephemera, that small card. And this is also another small card that I made. When you can open it up, and actually, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Diba? So, bahala na kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin dyan, or you can also, put a photo here, or a note, you can put note cards here. So, however you want it, and how many you can fit in here, kayo na rin yung bahala. You can, actually, ang pwede nyo pang gawin dito, parang medyo kapalan nyo pa siya. So, kung gusto nyo medyo mas makapal na mini pockets, diba? Mini pocket album. So, yan. I hope you like it. And then, the next one is a memory dex card. So, simple lang siya. I put in 2 pockets here. And then, ito yung mga nakalagay. Yan. So, you can use it as like a bookmark or a tag. Then, you can place it back here. And then, these are some of the ephemeras. And then, the other ones, talagang nakadikit na siya dyan. So, parang siya na yung pinaka-design nito. And then, I put a tab in here in case she wanted to, she wanted to name this particular memory dex card. She already has a tab in here ready. One of the things that sabi namin gusto naming isama talaga as part of the requirement for the swap is the fan fold card. So, nung una sabi ko, ano ba yung fan fold? So, naghanap ako sa YouTube and this was inspired by Cheryl. It's a simple fan fold card. So, it's just a 3 folds. You can see here. What I did was, the first thing that I cut is this 2. Etong dalawa. And then, I cut this white part. I also cut this white part. And then, I just put it in here. Tapos, itong closure part, I actually pasted it first here on the white part before I placed them together dito sa pink na cardstock. So, that's your trifold fan fold card. And I also just included like blank embossed white cards in case she wanted to use this further and design it further, so she can do that. And then this is the finale. So this is like your gift pack, so you can actually place yung mga, halimbawa yung parang mga Swiss Miss na chocolate packs or even chocolate or cards, whatever it may be, kasi may pocket siya sa loob. Ayan. So here, I just put some trinkets or stickers, and then this ribbons I also put in here for her. So there. Medyo malaki-laki yung pockets niya. So kaya talagang pwede kang maglagay dyan ng parang Swiss Miss. I think yung measurement nito is 4 inches. Yung length, yung height, mga 5 siguro, or 5.5. And then, this is a vellum that I used double-sided tape on the side para ma-close ko siya. And then, inside, I put in some sequins there. And then, ito siya. Yan. Diba? Pampadagdag lang ng kakyutan. So, there you go, guys. I hope you like it, and then if you have any anything that you wanted to ask about paano mo yan ginawa, how can we do that as well, or if you want some tutorials about simple stamp tips, just comment down below. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel, to our Instagram, and to our Facebook. It is Scrapbooky Crafter. Sa Instagram naman, it is Scrapbooky_crafter. And we also launch our FB groups where any business owner or craft enthusiast can actually post there and promote yourself, do giveaways, whatever it is, as long as it is craft related. May it be scrapbooking, journaling, creative writing, paintings, whatever. So feel free to submit yourself to be approved there. Some of you have already sent an invitation, so please join us, and then we can collaborate, we can share anything. So guys, thank you again. I hope this is something fun that I made, that I was able to share with you. And then watch out for our other posts, because there will be more giveaways. Bye guys.